Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install YouTube for your MacBook. So as you can see, we are inside the Chrome browser. Just go to youtube.com, just visit their official website, and once you open the youtube.com you will see a arrow like this, icon that says install YouTube right next to the bookmark. Click on this and this will ask you whether you want to install. Click on install, and then now you can see that YouTube is here. You need to double click on this one, and let me go back and check. You should have an application installed. Let me go to Launchpad. There you go, you have the YouTube installed. So this is a web application. It's not a YouTube application, it's just a direct web application that you can use to access YouTube. So that's how you can install YouTube for your Macos or your MacBook. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.